Right, we go on to some benefits. Still benefits on top of the matter of cucumber. I go dey very serious when they read this one. Because it concerns something very, very serious for our body. Cucumber. He say cucumber they freshen our breath. For those of you where they get what is the doctor they call them?
Halitosis. Yes, it's called halitosis.
He say if you place one cucumber slice on top the roof of your mouth, say if it to come out all the other causing bacteria where they your mouth. This one I news to me.
I like that too.
Just a slice on top your tongue or the roof. Put them for there. It go kill all the other causing bacteria. I say cucumber self they help to release excess heat within your stomach. If you always feel like say heat, your belly they burn. Say cucumber they help them. And say now this excess heat they cause bad breath. Really? I say they manage stress. Number 6. Cucumber they contain multiple B vitamin, vitamin B1, B5, B7, and biotin. All these ones they take to help ease off any feeling of anxiety. Make your heart they cut. Say they help to relax you, and even if they come out the damaging effects of stress. It supports your digestive health. Then say cucumber they rich in the 2 basic elements where they help your digestive system, water and fiber. So if you dey chop cucumber, your stool number 2 go they go siriri where all the food where you dey eat, you go to digest quick, you go to eliminate quick from the backyard there. If you want maintain healthy weight, cucumber is just for you. He say it is very low in calorie and it dey fill belly up. So if you want watch your weight, cucumber is the way to go. It supports heart health. That's what I mean say it's good for your heart. It contains potassium where they lower your blood pressure. I say a proper balance of potassium both inside and outside your cell is important for body to function properly. So if you want your body to function properly, cucumber is the way to go.
Function. What of the function?
All right, that's what I'm waiting to get. I don't know that honorable day around, but that he don't travel go.
Somebody's not.
He never come back from smaller salad.
When I talk about the story of the woman we needed extra behind.
So that this cup will fit on top.
That is why right here on this program, I want first now you want first warn you. I know say you my dearest dear, but I want just first warn you.
Okay.
No, under any attempt make you say you won't go do it and add up anything.
I know try.
You no go.
I know go try.
Thank you very much. And you, ladies, also help your situation. Don't even try to
help your situation. I don't understand which situation.
As in, don't even attempt to say you won't add up.
So you get stylish love for us because this is what you do.
No, I can't just no.
But you always form hard man for us. Like say you know send, but you send. You don't make anything bad happen to us. That is
no. The fallout no they good now. No, not even the thing.
Don't to say they give us better money now. Now better money. They say better do we not look pa. If now better money they give us now, we know they this give their acceptance for people to complain. Say na wrong doctor, be na Paco doctor she go meet. They say
so
the better doctor they collect better money.
Oh, so somebody like if you attempt to do that thing.
If you give me better money, why not?
You go to him.
If you give me better money.
Don't even anything here. Don't react to it.
Who na smell? Who na name?
We know them. Me I come and
honorable. Let us talk about issue wey dey on top of ground. Then talk say Oga Buhari go meet Obama for abroad. He do interview with Christian Amampo. That's my auntie wey dey for there. Come talk say Amampo. Can I finish my statement?
No, go on.
Rude. They very, very rude to
Don't you ever.
Go on.
Don't
My honorable, as I was saying before, I did roughly interrupted. Then say, Buhari talk say, they open, in government, they open to negotiating with the credible Boko Haram. Honorable, who are the credible Boko Haram?
Credible. That is the original ones.
No, okay, the fake one.
No, if you use
I don't know what you mean by credible.
Credible means if you see them get fake ones, you get original ones. People are the original ones in they talk about. So credible ones are strong. Why asking?
Now you go ask.
But the thing
why
is,
now honorable? Now you supposed to know what they happen. The caucus so where they hold that
for such negotiation to take place. Make the first look and know what these people want, their demand. If the demand go dey too overwhelming, that is overwhelming. We say no, too good for us. No, too good for us.
Because I'm now you are boy. They answer me well.
No.
Excuse me.
You cannot ask him any question.
So if overwhelming, the conditions where then go offer to us no go too fit us, no go too good. Hey.
Now, Honorable,
Let me just pause at that
we've been
point.
getting reports that your government is suffering from the huge, the falling oil prices. What does your government intend to do about the falling oil prices, considering the fact that Iran is now back to the international market and they're now trading in oil?
A gradual step. We see it come.
No, sorry, this is an official international interview.
Come on, go and sleepy.
She won't make her speak English. Wait, it is an official word.
Now, my fault say you from Benin, say Benin English. I study English for school. You don't go to university. You said that you want to go. I don't
You don't say
understand.
number
Excuse me,
one.
I get 2
The
degrees.
madam number one, they come.
Okay,
Two.
degree
Honorable,
what?
madam number one, they come.
So what be the problem?
When she land now, I hope say this your voice as she dey talk am like this, so now so you go see the follow us talk.
As long-
I hope say you go dey shine it like this because when law
it is
show for inside house
no,
here.
it is obvious say una head sorry
When you
don
respect
dey
me,
e don dey calm down
Hey,
small
I'm telling
e be
you.
like say una don check una sef check
true.
the level wey I dey na say look I no belong to the level
Sorry,
of the thing.
Oluchi.
So una don dey
You
pour
say be madam number one.
na don
No,
dey
is that
pour
madam number 1?
As far as I'm concerned,
You are
I assume mantle of leadership.
Yeah.
Look, let me tell you
Law
something.
don go mountain. When law come back from
Honorable,
mountain.
you know now, you know
You
what
know
I
say
can
we
do.
get alliance. Alliance and alibi is very,
In my
very
hem
sensitive.
Pureme, take us on a break first of all.
See number 3.
what is Purime here what is that Purime
You know what I supposed to do.
Come on.
You know what I
Let's
post.
go.
Bami hige tell me what you do
Hi,
don't threaten me o.
Oh, now from my mouth to walk up to
She not get liver. We
It's a promise.
this one.
You want for son of
If una know say una just enjoy the video they wanna just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not done.